Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony and this is TC's Outdoors. And today, like promised in the last video, we're going to get that new Vevor saw out here and run a tank of gas through it. At least one, hopefully two maybe. I'll have a pretty good feeling on how that thing runs by the time I get done with that. The other day, I tried to get this video started, and I'll throw a clip in. I moved all these logs back here with the tractor. It wasn't my best idea. It was like 34 out, and I just made a muddy mess. So by the time I got done, it was up to like 37. And it was just too muddy out here to get anything done. So I think the plan is just going to be to cut right out of the pile. And when I get around to splitting this, I'm going to split right into totes anyway, so I can just throw a pile. It doesn't really matter. I'm not worried about getting the trailer in here or anything like that. So either way, let's get the saw fired up and my chaps on and get cutting, because it's cold and I got to stay moving. So here we go. Well, I'm not sure if you guys saw that. The GoPro is GoProing, but I got a Mingo marker, and I tried to use it the first go around, and the first couple, actually the first dot never made sense, but now I've understood what I did wrong. So when you drag this thing backwards so that the wheel stops like that, go all the way till the nozzle, the paint nozzle, lines up with the end of the log, and then you start rolling, and then your first dot will be 16 inches. That makes a whole lot more sense than the way I was doing it before. I think that's tank number 1. Alright, so tank and a half of gas through the Vevor, 58cc, I don't even know the model number. It cuts, I mean it's no 500i, no doubt about it, but it definitely is getting the job done. There's a lot of mud on these logs from the first time when we moved them the first time it was muddy, and then I didn't do myself any favors yesterday when I was, or the other day there when I was moving them around in the mud. So either way, the chain is starting to not cut as well, but it's still doing a good job. I mean that's it's all ash and maple, it's not super hard, you know, but it's frozen, no doubt about that. It's like 14 degrees out here, I'm freezing. But I think it did a pretty good job so far. I'm not sure that I'm going to get into that pile today because I'm cold and I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, so I'm going to go in and eat lunch after I get all this stuff picked up. But the Vevor saw, I mean it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Somebody's going to like it, I hope. I'll probably run another tank through it, and maybe I'll do like a cut by cut comparison to the 590. Not that that's going to be apples to apples, that thing's ported, but either way it'll be a fun little trial. Just time it and then I'm going to clean it up, box it up, and then as soon as I hit 5K, it's going to hit the road. So if you are interested in winning saw like that, you're going to want to be subscribed and hit the bell notification, because I've got another 700 subs to get before I get to 5K, before I do the giveaway. So you've got some time to get in, and then once I hit the point, then I'll do a video and tell everybody how they can win. So you're going to want to have the bell notification on. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and take care. We'll see you. Bye.